Welcome students. Here we will discuss a very important question from the chapter Mathematical Induction. Here question is, prove by the principle of mathematical induction for all n belonging to the set of natural number capital N. Okay. Here statement is, mathematical statement which is given, which we have to prove is 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to plus n is equal to, right hand side is 2n by n plus 1. Okay. Here total number of terms is n. This is first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is nth term. So total number of terms in left hand side is n. Correct. So we have to prove it with the help of principle of mathematical induction. Correct. So let us see the solution here. Here mathematical statement which is given is, mathematical statement is denoted by the notation Pn. Here notation is, statement is 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to plus n. This is 2n by n plus 1. Let us call it relation number 1. And according to the principle of mathematical induction, you know that if this statement is true for n is equal to 1, means if P1 is true and we assume that PR is true, and again we have to prove that PR plus 1 is true, then by the principle of mathematical induction, this given mathematical statement will be true for all n. So here our first step is to show that P1 is true. So now we have to show that P1 is true. And how we will get P1? By putting n is equal to 1 here in relation number 1, we will get P1. So putting n is equal to 1 in relation number 1. So P1 is here. Here you see total number of terms is n. But if you are putting n is equal to 1, then you have to take only one term, mean only first term. So here first term is 1, and right hand side by putting n is equal to 1, this is 2 into 1 divided by 1 plus 1. Okay. Or we are getting 1 is equal to 2 by 2, or we are getting 1 is equal to 1. So here we are getting LHS is equal to RHS, correct? And therefore P1 is true. So this is the first step. And second step, we have to assume that PR is true. So assuming that PR is true, assuming that PR is true. And how will get PR? By putting n is equal to R in relation number 1. So now putting n is equal to R in relation number 1. We are getting here PR, putting n is equal to R here. So PR is 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to plus R, and this is 2R divided by R plus 1. Let us call it relation number 2. So here we are assuming that this statement is true. This holds good. Okay. And third and last step, we have to show that PR plus 1 is true. Now to show that PR plus 1 is true. And how we will get PR plus 1? By putting n is equal to R plus 1 in relation number 1. So here putting n is equal to R plus 1 in relation number 1, we will get here PR plus 1. So PR plus 1 will be, left hand side is 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to plus r. This is rth term, but we have to put n is equal to r plus 1. So you have to take next term also, r plus 1 term also. So this is 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to r plus 1. And right hand side will be putting n is equal to r plus 1 here. So this will be 2 into r plus 1 divided by, this is r plus 1, that is r plus 2. Here we have to prove that this is correct. Means we have to show here LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. So let us start with LHS. Here LHS is 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus R term is 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to R plus 1 term is 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to plus R plus 1. Correct? And you see relation number 2. Up to this much portion, we are having value is 2R by R plus 1. So in place of this much part, you can write 2R by R plus 1. And next term is 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to R plus 1. So you know that sum of n natural numbers means we know that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. We know this result. So by using this result, this is sum of first r plus 1 natural numbers. So in place of n, we are getting r plus 1 here. So this will be using this formula, r plus 1 plus 1 means r plus 2 divided by 2. Now let us simplify it. Here we will get 2r by r plus 1 and this 2 will come here in numerator. So plus 2 by r plus 1 into r plus 2. Now we have to take LCM here. At the same time we can take 2 common from here. So 2 into, here LCM is r plus 1 into r plus 2. Here denominator is r plus 1. So we have to multiply here 2. 2 is common. So multiply r with r plus 2. So r into r plus 2 and plus 2 is already common. This denominator is same as LCM. So here we will get 1. So this is 1 and this is equal to 2 times of, you see, whenever you multiply this r with r plus 2, we are getting r square plus 2r and this is plus 1. So you know r square plus 2r plus 1 is r plus 1 whole square. So your numerator is r plus 1 whole square and denominator is r plus 1 into r plus 2. There is no need of this bracket here. So this r plus 1 will cancel out with 1 r plus 1 here. So we are getting this is equal to 2 times of r plus 1 divided by r plus 2. We are getting this right hand side here, 2 into r plus 1 divided by r plus 2. This is right hand side. So you see here we have started with the left hand side and we are coming to the right hand side. It means LHS is equal to RHS. So therefore P r plus 1 is true, which we had to prove here that P r plus 1 is true. So this is the third step. So as we have discussed, first step is to show that P1 is true. We have shown here P1 is true. Second step, we assume that PR is true. We are assuming it, this relation. And third step, we show that PR plus 1 is true, which we are showing here. LHS is equal to RHS, so PR plus 1 is true. So now at the last you have to write one line statement here, that therefore by the principle of mathematical induction, by the principle of mathematical induction, Pn is true for all n. Pn is true for all n. So that's all about the solution. So it has been proved here. Proved. So very interesting solution and very important at the same time. So I hope you have understood it very well. We will see some more question in other videos to come. Thank you very much for watching this video. Wish you all the best.